buzz driving.
Bia and Bee relied on flowers. They used it at untimely hours. Without belts, they drove away.
No.
Now it's a big price to pay.
Spreading awareness became their powers. Don't rely on substances to get through your day.
If you or someone you know is struggling, call SAMHSA Helpline at 1-800-662-HELP. Bob's Birthday Bash.
Bob was at a birthday bash. Ralph wanted to give him his stash.
At first, he was okay. But then he went astray.
Oh no! He then threw the rest in the trash.
Don't be like Bob the Blob. Call SAMHSA's helpline at 1-800-662-HELP.
Horsing around.
Kyle went on a ride to kill some time.
Ended up with booze in his hand when the thought crossed his mind.
On his horse, he could not see
The accident that came to be.
He stayed aware as he left it behind.
No!
Think before you drink!
Aiden and alcohol.
Aiden acquired alcohol to numb the pain. It hit his body like a train.
He chased the feeling every night and day, but soon found out he chased everyone away.
Huh?
Aiden found peace, and now he has something to gain.
Never choose alcohol over the people you love.